Good morning. How's everybody doing? We are back out on the creek again and trying to see what kind of luck we get today, you know. It is kind of windy. Honestly, nobody can tell weather in Jacksonville. Nobody. There's not a guy that can predict weather in Jacksonville. The wind chill is supposed to be 5 to 10. Got 16. Honestly, right now, it has to be at least over 20 miles per hour gusting. But it's gusting non-stop. It's not stopping to gust. Usually gusts, last for 20 seconds. But not today. Actually, the weather should improve. I'm predicting it, at least. I mean, it's a low tide right now. You kind of really want to fish, when you fish in these creeks. You want to fish those grass, the bank over there. But still, there's ways to find a fish, red fish, when it's the low tide. You see those oyster bars over there? They will not retreat far away. They're going to try to find like a deep water. They're going to stay in there. And my wife actually had a hell of a throw right there. Oh, throw a couple here to just see. Let me check it out. There's a lot of oyster bars in there. See it like a little, like down, hold it, reel it down slowly. There we go. Oh, got a good bite there. Just had a good bite there. Just slow it down. If it's a trout, slow it down. She will chase it down. I just had a good bite, babe. I just had a hell of a bite in there. Yeah. There you go. Look what she done to my. It's a trout in there. Look what she done to my lure. She pretty much pulled my lure out. She grabbed that tail. Alright, so they're in there. As I told you, they're not gonna, when there's a low tide like this, they just will not move away far from those oyster bars. Yeah, this is my 120 top water Old Town kayak. PDL drive. I love this kayak. My kids got the pilots, autopilots, and my wife has got a 106 Sport PDL drive. You have no worries with these kayaks doesn't matter what kind of conditions are. They're really, really stable. Really nice kayaks. I don't like this lure here. That pink one was actually working. I don't know why I took that one off. Maybe I need to put another one. I need to replace this one with the pink one. They were kind of chasing, going after this one, and this is a Slayer. It's a Sinister series. It's XLR. This pink one. I had 2 bites with it. I need to replace my jig hook too. Hold it tight in the middle. Go through it. I already know how far this one needs to be. Make sure that tail, the main thing is that tail stays down. Okay. So when you reel it, it's going to have good play in it. Now let's check this out. Oh. My boys already caught fishes. Let's see what they got. Hell yeah. Nice. He's got a nice redfish. It's my older one. He's got a big redfish. Mama just got a big redfish, Noonie. Look at your phone. Yeah, he's already got it. That one has to be 24, 25 inches. Nice. you got the red fishes. We're not keeping no fishes today. It's too loud. We're gonna keep the fishes maybe tomorrow one. But today no. Catch and release. Jel vidiš kako ovo oyster bar izgleda, you see it? I ovo ima malo dubina vode. Ona inače neće, djeca znaju kako se peca ovdje, zna. Ja sam njih naučio, ona. Zato on upetio riv do. There's a lot of people, oh, this is my secret spot. I'm not fishing on that day and you fishing, I'm gonna help you find it. Just don't understand something. Pretty much, you need that jig hook out. You wanna fish those banks, you know, the grass. I mean, I just like to use my plastics, you know, a little bit. So go. Look, just use the jig hook, put a shrimp on it, zip it down that way. Yes. Remember, Baba had a hell of a day last time with this. Something's definitely playing my cork. That cork not supposed to be coming this way. That cork, the wind is blowing that way. You see how the wind is blowing? That way, but my cork keeps coming this way. So it's gonna show water there. If it's usually a big fish, your cork be still showing. But let him dry much as he can. I think there's something on there. I just let him. You see it going this way? The cork wheel is supposed to go that way. So it's like a 1.5 feet long. Yeah, there's something on there. I'll let him take off. Oh, there we go, boys. Here we go, babe. Not sure what it is here on this one. Ah, it was probably a trout. That one definitely's got a big red. This one just trout here, this one. What? I know, Sin, I know. I don't know what it is, but I want him to take off. Something just hit this one really good. I definitely got a fish in that one. I want him to take off, Sin. They definitely got something on this one here. Let's see what we got. If anything. Yep. There we go, babe. We definitely have something. I'm not sure what it is. It does not feel big, but it's running towards me. It's probably a stingray, right? Yeah, stingray. Yeah, that's the thing with the stingrays. You can't even tell when they're on there, you know. Usually, for these babies here, I don't like to play around with this. I would just cut that hook off like it is. But, you know, I hate to release anything with the hooks inside, you know. I'll try to grab the tail. Try to squeeze that tail, you know. You don't want to kind of get hit. Let me see if I can put it in between my. Sometimes you can put it right there between you. Nice, looks like that. She will swing from down there. She can actually reach me. Use my flies. But man, look at him. He's just preying on me. Let's see if I can do something. If I can hold that tail somehow, it's the problem, you know. Look at her. She's trying. Oh, he almost got me. He almost got me. Just can't hold that tail. He's trying to sting me. Don't do it. Got the tail. See right there? I'm holding her tail. That's the main thing. are on her back. Look at that sting, man. I don't want to release you with the... There's that stingray. Look at her. You see that sting right there? It's just a little baby stingray. But look at that sting, man. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. You know, Steve Irwin made a mistake. Alright, go ahead. Live a long life. Don't touch my bait anymore. I got it, babe. What we can do now. At least we know they're in the air. I told you they just don't retrieve far away. I had a good bite on this one. I didn't change my shrimp. Don't tell me I caught another big damn stingray. Guys, what's heavy on this one? Oyster bar? Got an oyster bar, probably. Another stingray. Damn, man, it's full of stingrays. Look at that. Well, I gotta deal with another one. This is what you don't want. I don't want no stingrays. I don't want no part of them. But you know, they're in there. They're trying to feed themselves too. Alright, this one's a little bit bigger. Remember that little one had a big sting. Oh, this one is heavy. This one's a little bit heavier. I'll put the glove on there. Don't break my rod. Don't break my Fidel rod. This one is good to catch anything. Alright, so we're gonna try to... Oh my god, they're slimy. What is this? A stingray there? Oh, that one has a big sting. Try to squeeze it with this. You see how good that is? Make sure you shake it good before you make a mistake. Oh man, look at this one's got two stings. Sorry, I was not able to show you, but you want to release them as soon as possible. Whew. Here we go, babe. There's something on this one. Oh. Uh-oh, something heavy. Ah, it's shaking head. Alright, we got something. Oh, big red, big red. Look at him over there. Why did this happen right now when I'm... Keep it tight. Oh. This one is a big one, guys. He's going over my other rod. Damn it. I'm gonna keep that rod tight, you know, with a fish on it. She's coming down this way, she's going down there. Remember those big hooks I told you? They work perfectly fine. Uh-oh. He's trying to break me off. Babe, you sure you don't want to keep this one, babe? Oh, go under my boat. Oh, not under my boat. Trying to get under my boat. That's what I usually try. Oh. Trying to cut you off. Shark! Nah, I'm just joking with that. nice, a big red. I don't think it's even that big, but damn, this one is fighter. This one is a fighter, man. I don't think it's even that big. Oh, it's gonna run. You just want to get him a little bit tired to get on the top. When he gets on the top, that's when you want to try to pull him out. See, once they get on the top. Once he gets on the top, that's when he's ready to come in. I don't think this one is even too big. Why am I struggling with this one? Oh, we swallowed the hook. Alright, we nailed this one. You want to keep the shark, babe? Oh, it's not a shark. It's a redfish, unfortunately. This one is not bad at all. I can measure this one. Let's see how big this one is. Swallow the hook, that's the only problem. And oh! Whoa, I almost lost this one. Look, I just pulled the hook. Wow, that was easy. I almost actually lost this one. Well, let's see what we got here. Wow, that's a beautiful redfish. Oh, we got a redfish on. See. Just another stingray. There's a lot of stingrays here today. A lot of stingrays here today. Oh, this one is a bigger one. Look at this one. That's a big stingray right there. Oh, that one has a long tail. Look at this one, babe. It's big. See, there's the oyster bar in there. We don't have a lot of wind now. All of a sudden, we're getting bugs in our face. Oh, here we go, babe. It's probably a trout here. You just gotta keep the trouts. I mean, I got a small hook on there. I mean, he's gonna shake his head. There you go. See? Oh man, this is something good. Oh, that's a big redfish. What is this? I don't know what this is, but oh, it's a big trout, babe. No, that's a redfish. Oh, see him trying to cut me off. He's trying to go under my boat. That's a big redfish, man. I got this one on the lure. Look at him. He's shaking. He's shaking his head like a trout. I thought it was a trout. Wow. Nice, a redfish. It's a redfish. I call him straight down this stream, you know. That's a nice redfish, man. It's probably like 21 inches right here. That's a beautiful fish. Yes, the grass right there. That's a damn good spot. This one is gonna slip. It's probably on top of the oyster bar. Yeah. Oh, babe! I got one! Oh my! On top of the oyster bar. There we go. That's what happens. You see that little grass right there, but it's not too thick. See, he's trying to get back at his pot. That's an oyster bar in there, and this is what the redfish like to do, you know. Let's see what we got. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's maybe a little baby red. You see, babe? Even it's a smaller fish. It's not a smaller fish, but you gotta get it tired, you know. Let him do what let him dictate. You see right there? It's the lure. Wow, nice splash. Nothing, you're just splashing. You gotta get him tired. When he gets on top of the water, he's ready to pull out. Look at him trying to cut it off. You see they turn that back? The reason they turning that back, they try to cut your lure off. I mean, your leader line, or it's actually decent fish. It's not bad fish though. See what he's doing? He actually, okay, he almost did. Keep it tight. All you do, you see he goes on his back. He goes on his back. And he's ready to come inside the boat. You just kind of work him out. inside your net. And there you go. Redfish number 3 today. Yeah. Well, this is a nice one. Give me my hook, buddy. Wow, where did I hook him? Outside the mouth. Look at this. I caught him outside his mouth. Oh, oh. Bam. Man, they're strong. Alright, take it easy, my man. You are inside the boat, okay? Nothing you can do. You're not going home with me. How did I hook him like that? Always check your lures. That one looks pretty good to me. Alright, but there you go. This is another probably 22 incher, you know, 21 inches. Look at that redfish. Beautiful, man. Thanks for the fight, buddy. It's got one spot here. It's got another spot on that side. What a beautiful fish, babe. Look at this one. You sure you don't want this one? It's like a 21. Beautiful fish, man. Look at that fish. Wow. Hey, you bleeding? Just throw him straight in there. There he goes. Thanks for the fight, big man. There's the bite. There we go. I fell down. It's definitely a trout here. Yeah. Keep it tight. Keep an eye tight and bring her in. Oh, nice trout. That's a nice trout, man. That's a nice trout. That's a good trout. That's a good size. I was a little bit disappointed with the trouts today. Nice hookup. What a beautiful fish, man. When you handle them, definitely good to have the gloves. They're so slippery, you know. Beautiful fish, man. Wow. Alright, well, I can go home now. Thanks for the fight.